curry chicken, y'all. I got some onions, some bell peppers, some baby carrots, and the pot. I put a little bit of olive oil in it. I'm just gonna cook them a little bit. I have my chicken seasoned with some curry powder, some black pepper, a little bit of seasoning, some garlic powder. I'm gonna add them in here in just a moment. I'm gonna let it cook on each side for a few minutes, and I'm gonna add some chicken broth and turn it down. So I added my chicken broth and some beef broth. Put a little bit more seasoning in there. I don't have too much juice in there. I cover it up. I put it on medium, and I set my timer for 30 minutes. So it has been cooking for a little bit over 40 minutes. It's good and tender, nice and ready. Can't really see it with the steam, but I did add a little bit of cornstarch to thicken that gravy up a little bit. So now I'm gonna make some garlic roasted mashed potatoes. Alright, y'all, and this is the finished result. You can see them carrots, the bell pepper, the onion, and oh baby, that chicken, baby. Okay.